Rain is a gift from the sky. It begins when the sun warms the earth. Lakes, rivers, and seas start to steam. Water rises, turning into a dream. Vapor climbs high into the blue. Joining dust, forming clouds too. Clouds grow heavy, full and grey, ready to send the rain our way. Drops fall gently through the air, touching soil, trees, everywhere. Rain feeds roots and rivers below, helping all of nature grow. It's part of a cycle, deep and wise, connecting oceans, earth, and skies. Without the rain, life fades away. So we welcome it, day by day.